The observance of the International Day of Families this year promotes and focuses on the Sustainable Development Goal number 3, ensuring healthy lives for all at all ages. And families have a unique role in promoting health of their children. And this year's observance of this International Day aims at raising awareness of families and family policies for ensuring healthy lives for a sustainable future.
Uzbekistan has families at the core of its value system. Traditionally, families have always played a key role in forming social values, maintaining healthy environments in neighborhoods, and promoting safety and protection of children. UN in Uzbekistan is a close ally to the government in promoting social protection for families, ensuring conditions for the reproductive health of newlyweds, creating healthy family environments for children to grow up and to transition to healthy adolescence. UNICEF works with the Ministry of Health in improving access to quality health services for mothers and children, and they recognize that health sector alone is not responsible for health of girls and boys. Families play an important role in ensuring health and well-being of children. Parents and other caregivers can improve children's health and development by supporting them emotionally, ensuring proper nutrition, prevention of illnesses, including timely immunization and proper care. Therefore, UNICEF works also with communities and families to empower them to apply positive childcare practices in the area of health, nutrition, hygiene, care and development.
Family play an important role in ensuring health and well-being of their children, and parents and other caregivers should know that they can do more by empowering their children in the area of health, nutrition, hygiene promotion and childcare development. Therefore, UNICEF works also with families and communities by supporting them in all this work, in applying positive practices for children, for prevention of illnesses, including immunization, childcare, proper nutrition, and learning opportunities. Parents and caregivers should know that exclusive breastfeeding is the most appropriate and proper nutrition for babies up to 6 months. Parents should know and recognize danger signs for child health and to go immediately to doctor when such symptoms or signs appear. And parents should know that first 3 years are the most important and critical for brain development and for development of their child. During these first 3 years, child brain most rapidly grows, and around 1,000 brain cells have opportunity to connect every second. There is no such opportunities after 3 years. But to feed and to support this development that will influence child emotional, cognitive and social development, we have to feed these connections and to support stimulation of our children. And parents should know how to do this. Especially parents should learn, should play with their children, should read and talk to them. It is very important for brain development of children, for their sake and for our future.
UN Population Fund in Uzbekistan salutes and supports the initiatives of all stakeholders investing in improvement of health of women, adolescent girls, young people and elderly.
For more than 20 years, we are working hand in hand with the Ministry of Health on improvement of maternal and newborn health care, and also on prevention of sexually transmitted diseases and HIV infection and life-threatening preventable diseases such as cervical cancer. We work on increasing awareness of population and demand for sexual and reproductive health services among young people, adolescent girls, women and elderly people. Because sexual reproductive health is not only about women of fertile age and pregnant women. It covers the whole life cycle of people in order to ensure quality of life. This all is good investment to well-being and health of families.
UNESCO is promoting increased access to quality of learning that starts from the early ages at home and takes place throughout our lives in formal and non-formal settings, particularly for the purpose of strengthening the regulative framework for non-formal education provision. UNESCO is working with the Senate and the Ministries of Labour, Higher and Secondary Specialised Education, State Testing Centre and national partners that are engaged in the provision of education and training beyond the formal school settings. It is expected that the National Strategy of Lifelong Learning will be developed to increase learning opportunities for girls and boys, women and men. The story has been brought to you by the UN Information Office in Tashkent. For more information, please visit www.un.uz.